Okay, let's talk about JavaScript. Uh, for software engineers, computer programmers, web developer, whatever you call yourselves. So JavaScript, it is one of the most popular and widely used programming languages in the world right now. Large companies such as PayPal, Walmart, Netflix, they use JavaScript to build internal applications. So let me walk you through JavaScript, how it came to evolve, like for you to be able to call it JavaScript right now. So JavaScript was originally designed to run only inside a browser. So each browser has a JavaScript engine that is embedded in it that understands the JavaScript code to be able to run on it. For example, the JavaScript engine in Google Chrome is called V8. This sounds to be powerful. It's not a car V8 engine. No, it is the JavaScript engine V8. In Mozilla Firefox, the JavaScript engine is called SpiderMonkey. This sounds funny, right? Yeah. So, in 2009, a very clever engineer called Ryan Doe, Ryan Doe, this guy, he got the JavaScript engine that is embedded inside Google Chrome, which is the V8 JavaScript engine. He embedded the JavaScript engine inside a C++ program. He called that program Node. So Node, N-O-D-E, you call it Node.js. He called that program Node. So Node is a C++ program that includes the Google's V8 JavaScript engine. So Node provides the runtime environment to execute the JavaScript code outside of the browser. So when you're building applications with JavaScript and Node, Node can communicate directly with the operating system, such as Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, Android. What does this mean? It means that with Node, you can build server-side applications, you can build desktop applications, you can build pretty much any backend using JS. Because whichever JavaScript code that you want to run, Node kicks in, it's going to run that JavaScript code on the operating system level. So Node includes the Google's V8 JavaScript engine. Have you seen how JavaScript fakes a lot of things? Because with JavaScript, I think most of the things are fake. Always JavaScript tries to find a workaround. When you look at Node.js, it is the Google's V8 JavaScript engine that is embedded into it. So JavaScript found a way to be running on the back end, you see? Because it's so like, you have these guys like Python. You know, Python is very powerful. Even JavaScript knows that Python is very powerful. It's not something that it can even compare with itself. There are some areas where JavaScript can shine, like for user interfaces, for asynchronous programming, but best overall, you know, Python. This is very powerful, the #1 language. Yeah, so, but we're not talking about Python. Let's proceed with JavaScript. So, JavaScript, the reason why I'm saying it faked a lot of things, Node.js to React. Instead of using the real DOM, React uses the virtual DOM. Almost any JavaScript library or framework that you find there, you find that there are some workarounds that are there. There's not just pure native JavaScript implementation. By the way, this programming language is powerful. It's very powerful. So with JavaScript, you can become a front-end developer, a back-end developer, or a full-stack developer who knows both the front-end and the back-end. So JavaScript was like, because JavaScript saw that there are some developers who prefer some other specialized server-side languages. This is why it came in like to provide support for server-side programming using Node.js, because if you're using JavaScript, you know that you can use the same best practices both on the front end and on the back end, because you are using the same programming language. So learning JavaScript alone is enough for as long as you learn both the front end part of it and the back end part of it. Yeah. So JavaScript. I try to avoid it, but it has a demon. JavaScript, you cannot avoid it. You have to learn it. You understand?